Hello viewer, welcome back to our channel techsmartbest. Now I am reviewing Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So this video will be very interesting and please watch a complete video. If you are interested about tech videos, so please press the subscribe button and click the bell icon for latest update. So without wasting any more time, go for it. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. If watching more video about Tab, so please check the description. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite are different version. Dimension of Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 244.5 by 150 by 7 mm. The body of a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, glass front, aluminium back, aluminium frame. nano-sim stylish support. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite offer display. TFT capacitive touchscreen, display size 10.4 inch, resolution 1200 by 2400 pixels. Operating system Android 10.01 UI2. Chipset Exynos 9611. CPU Octa-core. GPU Mali-G72 MP3. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite of memory. Card slot microSDXC dedicated card slot. Internal memory 64GB and 4GB RAM, 128GB and 4GB RAM. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite offers camera. Main camera, single camera, 8MP wide camera, HDR panorama. And also the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite offers selfie camera or single camera, 5MP. Loudspeaker with the stereo speaker, 3.5mm jack is also available. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite offers connectivity, Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth 5.0 A2DP LE, GPS with the 8 GPS GLONASS BTS Gilio. Radio is not available, but the USB 3.1 Type-C 1.0 invertible connector. Sensor, accelerometer, proximity gyro. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite offers battery, non-removable LiPo7040 mAh battery, fast charging 15W. There are different colors are also available, different pink, angora blue, oxford grey. If watching more video about Tab, so please check the description, or any question about Tab, so please leave the comments and I will try to reply.